Everyone loves a fruit salad, a good fruit salad with a bunch of different fruits. Today we're going to make one that has a little different twist because it's going to have something that's a little spicy, some chili powder, along with some honey for sweetness and the zest of a lime straight off the tree from the backyard. Every brunch needs a good fruit salad. Actually, every breakfast for supper could use a good fruit salad. So we're going to make a good fruit salad. This is going to be a Mexican salad to go along with our chorizo burritos. It's your typical salad, but it has a few extra ingredients that gives it a little punch and makes it Mexican. I'm using fresh pineapple, halved red and green grapes, some sliced strawberries, fresh blueberries, fresh raspberries, and fresh blackberries. And the cool thing about this is we're going to serve it in a pineapple boat. So all it really needs is just a little bit of honey, just a little drizzle. I mean, the fruit's already kind of sweet, so we just want a little bit. This is super, super simple. And then the juice and zest of a lime. That lime just came off the tree in the backyard. So, oh, it smells so good. So fresh. If you're going to use a lime for juice and zest it first. It's really hard to zest a lime once it's been juiced. So that's pretty much the whole lime. And then we're going to roll it to release the juices. And I think we'll use about a half of a lime. This one seems, oops, lost a seed. This one seems quite juicy. And then for just a teeny bit of heat, we're going to add a tiny, tiny bit of chili powder. So let's toss this all together. And I'm going to spoon it into the pineapple boat. The pineapple was pretty easy to hollow out. When you slice it in half, start from the middle and cut this way, and then cut the fronds in half evenly. It seems a little complicated, but once you start cutting it, it's really not as hard to do as it looks. Oh, it smells so good. You can smell the honey and the lime. And the chili powder is just going to be a little kick at the end. Fill this guy up. And for just a little extra, I thought I'd slice a kiwi to go on top. It's an edible garnish. Any kind of fruit would work. I think citrus would work very well because you've already got the lime. Pineapple, grapefruit would work. Oranges would work. Whatever's seasonal. Let's do a few slices of kiwi across the top. Very simple and very beautiful. You should try it yourself.